This guy has beaten me up to 3 times. Jehovah. Since she came February 14th, they don't beat am 3 good times. Everyone, hello, better people. How una dey? Don't really tell. It has been long. I made a sit down video. Did you miss me? Are you sure? Did you miss this beautiful face? Well, I'm on your screen again this morning. Yes, it's morning here in Nigeria, Benin City. Please ignore the lightning. Ignore the lighting because in Nigeria now, we have been suffering from light, NEPA wahala, NEPA issue. So the background is dark. And your girl no get money to buy ring light too. I never get that money. So I'm managing natural light. So please bear with me. Just follow me, yeah? We go grow, we go blow one day, yeah? Through YouTube. We go blow, we go chop YouTube money. So how have you been doing? If it's your first time coming across this channel, I want to say you are welcome to this great family. Thank you and God bless. Really, I really appreciate you joining in. I really appreciate you tuning in into this channel. Thank you, but please, I dey beg, subscribe, turn on that bell, that notification bell beside the subscribe button, so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be notified. Please like and share my video. Leave your comments in the comment section. If you're a returnee, if you're an old subscriber, you guys are the best. I want to say thank you. You are my motivation. You are the one keeping me going. Whenever I see your comments, I'm motivated to do more videos. Yes, today is gossiping. I'm here to gossip. I'm here to do amebo. Today I'm not going to be doing my normal video, but it's still related because the issue we are going to be trashing, we are going to be dealing, we are going to be talking about is also related to marriage, to relationship. Wow. Yes, now amebo story. Now we will do today. What am I saying? I went through Facebook and I saw one interesting story. This one shocked me. This one opened my eyes. I was like, what? Not be only me go see this one. I won't be the one alone. I won't be the only one to see this one. I need to share it to my audience. I need to share it to my family out there so that I can know your contributions. I can know your thoughts. What do you think? What do you feel? Let's say today's video. Now pidgin what they do. So no vex. If I enter pidgin, if I enter English, all join. As far as say we are communicating. Yes. So today talking on this thing we me see for Facebook. As in, I was really down. I was surprised. Are people this dumb? Are people this ignorant? Are people this, I want to put this English room say go enter. Well, what am I saying? I'll try and put this story on the screen. I'll try and screenshot it and put it on the screen so that you can as well read, follow me, more discuss this thing. What is your take on this? What do you feel? Are people still blind? Well, I don't talk. Ma just read the story. I wrote it down on my book because I'm using my phone to film. I don't have camera yet, so I'm using my phone camera to film. So that's why I wrote down the story so I can read it out, so that people will understand what I'm trying to say. Yes. So as I was scrolling down Facebook, I came across this platform and I saw this story. After reading it, I saved it immediately so that I can share it out, so that I can tell people more to na see for this kind of matter. Really is still surprising. Let me read it out so that you can hear. Good day. I am confused right now. My introduction is on Easter Tuesday. Now girl dey talk this one. Woman like me, babe like me, girl like me. Now they talk this one. Listen. And I have been in my fiance's house since 14th February. That is Valentine's Day. She has been in her fiance's house. Okay, let's continue. He said because he insists I should stay behind for us to plan our marriage. Who does that? In this computer stage that even through phone you can plan your marriage? Must you? Do you have to sit in his house before the marriage can be planned? My dear, I'm surprised. Okay, let me continue. He said, do you know, she said though, do you know since I came, this guy has beaten me up to 3 times. Jehovah. Since she came February 14th, they don beat am 3 good times. Okay, let me continue. He said, when I say beating, it's serious o, that our neighbors always come and rescue me. Una don hear this one. He said the beating no just be anyhow beating, that the beating is serious beyond recognition, that we push neighbors to leave their homes and come and rescue her. May I continue? Not be me right, not be me talk am, not be me right. I see, now I talk. He said the second time he beat me, I packed my bag and pretended I was leaving. Abeg, this one mumu no get level. Mumu pass mumu. Now wow. He said, I pretended I was leaving. You are pretending, still pretending you want to leave when they are beating you. Okay. He said, and he started crying that he cannot love another woman. So I stayed back. My people, what do you have to say in this one? You pretended to leave. He started crying that please you should forgive, that he cannot love another woman. Abeg, please help me relate this issue. Wetin person love, e dey spoil am. What you love, do you destroy it? I think say wetin person love, e dey cherish am. E no go want make the thing spoil. Okay, no be me talk am. He said just on Monday he slapped me because I used wet clothes to clean his shoes before polishing. And I went and sat outside crying that I am not marrying again. He will kill me. He now said, the guy is talking now. He now said he is testing me to know my highest anger. But since I did not get angry, he can marry me. Let me repeat it again. He now said he is testing me to know my highest anger. But since I did not get angry, he can marry me. Sister, when you turn microphone with the test, when did you turn power voltage wey dey test to know the highest one and the lowest one? And wow, this is the shocking part of it. This is where shocked me. She now came on social media, on Facebook, on this platform, and was asking this question. Please, is he truly testing me, or will he be serious? Will he seriously be a wife beater? That is the question now she's asking audience or social media or platforms that is it true this guy, this man, this fiancé, this uncle, this brother is testing her, or is he seriously a wife beater? You see the reason why I said let me share this out, because in this jet age people are still foolish, people are still dumb. You came on social media to ask such question. If he is testing you, my dear, you are seeing your death. Wait, in the beginning he has not married you, he has not even done traditional rites. She said he wants to do, not that he has done. No, he wants to do your introduction on Easter period. Now he's now using beating to test your anger, to test your patience. Let me ask you this question. If at the verge of testing you, you die, what would you say? Or what will your parents say? Or what will you answer to God? If actually he loves you, he will not lay his finger on you. You are not a punching bag that they are testing to grow muscle. You are not a microphone that they are testing if it's good or if it's bad. You are not even food that they are testing if it is sweet or bitter. What kind of question is this? Please help me, family. Leave your comment in the comment section. Contribute, because this thing is what so many single ladies are going through. You will hear the story. They will say, if I marry him, he go change. Who tell you? Are you God? He has not married you. He is testing you with beating. All because you used wet clothes to clean his shoe. He got angry and slapped you. He has started beating you up to the extent that neighbors will come and rescue you. What if there is nobody to rescue you? Yes, it's a question that we need to ask people. What if there is nobody at that moment to rescue you? Why are you putting your life at stake? Why are you putting your future at stake? See, marriage is a lifeline, long life journey. Mona, bear with me, forget the English. That when you enter, there are so many things you will see. Thank God that he has started showing you his true character. What kind of question are you now asking? If he now marries you, will he be a wife beater? Yes! He will use you as a punching bag. He will beat you to the pulp. He has not paid your dowry. He doesn't own you and he's testing you. Then imagine when he now pays. What he go use you do? I believe even then he will not even allow your family to interfere. Maybe nobody will come and look for you. He will lock you, use belt or use cane and beat you as a child. Since you are now a child, that they are testing your patience. Please, what am I saying? I beg, make I beg our young girls out there. Love is not by force. Marriage is not by force. See, if you force yourself into it, you will force yourself outside. Why not wait for the right one that will cherish you, that will not want to use beating to test your patience? When I read this story on social media, on Facebook, I was pissed, I was boiling, I was angry. What kind of question are you asking? Why are people this dumb? Okay, what do you expect people to answer you? That you should go in? You are seeing your debts. You are saying, I want to go. You are asking the audience. You're asking people, should you? Common sense should let you know that such marriage is not good. Your common initiative should let you know that this person is not the right person for you. It is not your right partner. It is not the one God has chosen, because the Bible said that his blessing maketh what? Rich, and added no sorrow. So the blessings of God cannot bring sorrow in your life. So your partner who God has given you, has blessed you with, should not bring sorrow into your life. Instead, he should fill your life with joy. If he cannot bear your weakness, if he cannot bear your mistake, he's testing you, using you as a tool, punching bag, testing your patience. Who is he? Is he God to test you? He's not playing the role of God in your life already, when he has not even introduced you to his parents, or you introducing him to your parents. My dear, wake up. Ladies of today, we need to wake up. Enough is enough. Are you not tired? Okay, if he loves beating, let him start beating himself. There are people, let him go out there. He will see his mates. He can beat them and test their patience. Not you. Not you. Don't you like your skin? Don't you like your life? Okay, if to beat or to test is hungry, let him beat himself. Make him beat himself. Why you? This thing has sent so many women to their early grave. It has sent so many, it has given so many women everlasting marks on their body, disfigured them beyond recognition, all because of endurance, all because they feel they can change their person. Yes, I'm not saying people cannot change, but this one that has started beating you when you've not even entered, and you feel when you enter he will change. My dear, this is my own honest contribution, my own thoughts. He is not the right person for you, because if actually he loves you as he claims, he will not touch you. He will not lay a finger on you. How can somebody destroy what he or she loves? He will not want anything to happen to you. No. That is not love, but lust, infatuation, attraction. It is not love, because love does not hurt, or love does not, how will I put this in English? Wanna help me, I beg. Please, my dear. When I read this story, I was like, nobody me go hear this one. I won't hear this one alone. It is for me to bring it out there so that my family, my better people will follow contribute for this matter. So that you can also join me and talk. Because there are people out there in such relationship, in this kind of toxic relationship, confused, don't know what to do, believing that their partner, that this is the right choice or this is the right person. Please, leave your comments in the comment section below. Talk your own view on what you see in such relationship. Your own advice, please leave it there, so that we can share it out over there, so that people can learn from others' mistakes. People can learn not to go into such trap. It is a trap. That is not marriage anymore, but trap. May God help us in Jesus' name. If you have been watching me up to this extent and you've not subscribed, my dear, what are you waiting for? And I've noticed that people are subscribing and not turning on their notification bell. Please turn it on. Turn that notification bell, the bell beside the subscribe button. Turn it on, so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be notified immediately, as soon as possible, so that you'll not miss any of my video. Yes, please like now and share. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Subscribe. Subscription is free. YouTube will not take your data. They will not take your money from your account. Please support your girl so that this channel can grow. And leave your comment on what you see for this matter. What do you see for this matter? What is your own take, your own thought on this matter? I better talk. My ear is itching to read, to listen to comments. Well, thank you and God bless you. I come your way again. I will end this video here. Bye bye.